In Connecticut, garlic can be successfully grown in containers, making it a versatile option for urban or limited space gardening. To grow garlic in containers, follow these steps. Select a suitable container. Choose a container that is at least 8 to 10 inches deep to accommodate the garlic roots. Ensure the container has drainage holes to prevent waterlogged soil. Choose the right soil. Use well-draining potting mix with organic matter. Garlic prefers slightly acidic to neutral soil pH. Select garlic bulbs. Purchase high-quality garlic bulbs from a reputable source or use bulbs saved from previous harvests. Softneck varieties are often recommended for container gardening. Worth mentioning here is the opportunity to buy good quality bulbs at the Connecticut Garlic Festival in Bethlehem, Connecticut. Join their Facebook group, link in description, to monitor dates, etc. You will find the best varieties adapted for the Connecticut climate and have the opportunity to talk to the farmers who grew it. Planting. Break the garlic bulb into individual cloves just before planting. Plant each clove with the pointed end facing up, about 2 inches deep and 4 to 6 inches apart. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Container-grown garlic may need more frequent watering than garden-grown garlic. Sunlight. Place the container in a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Fertilization. Feed the garlic with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer during the growing season. Some who disagree with this step prefer a side dressing of compost or no fertilization at all. It is important to know that potash will help the bulbs grow larger, however, than those receiving no fertilization at all. Harvesting. Harvest when the leaves turn yellow and start to dry. Gently dig up the bulbs and allow them to cure in a dry, well-ventilated place before storing. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy a successful harvest of garlic even in limited space using containers.